Discover the secret to irresistible chicken fillets. We start today's recipe by cutting 500 grams of chicken fillets into cubes. Transfer to a bowl, and add salt, black pepper, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 egg. Now mix until everything is well combined and let it marinate for about 15 minutes. Then, we heat 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil in the frying pan. Add the chicken. Let it fry for 2 minutes, stirring to brown well on all sides. Next, we'll prepare a quick sauce with 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Finish with 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Now just mix. Add to the chicken and stir, letting it fry for 3 minutes. To finish, add green onions to taste. And that's it for another episode. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as we did. Comment below sharing your opinions, give a like if you enjoyed it, and if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe so you don't miss the next recipes. Thanks for joining us, and see you next time.